foil, as Mr. Sudarata said in the presentation. So they fuse together with the time and they form a bush. Every time we cut a stem, they induce new shoots to emerge. So new shoots coming out from the cut surface. So that's the rotational harvesting we perform every time. So we can manage it up to more than 50 years like that. So the base is spreading laterally like this, and always we have new shoots to harvest. Actually it's a skill labor in me. And also while harvesting they clean the bush. They remove all the unnecessary shoots and stems. If they have damage or maybe have pest and disease attack, we have to remove it and keep it away. And okay. Now you can see that what's the harvestable stem. Thereafter they remove the upper part of the stem with the leaves because it's green, and so those parts we don't take into the processing center. They can be used for distillation of oil, beef oil, and the rest of the stem we can take into the processing center to remove the bark.
Does the cut part go away?
Yes, this much.
No, that.
Yes, from there new shoots will emerge from here. These are the shoots came out from the previous harvest. At the tender stage they are in red color. They turn into green within 1.5 to 2 months. They turn into green. Into green, maybe after 1.5 months or 2 months, they turn into green. These are the red ones, that new shoots here. This one. They initiate like this and then grow to form a bigger stem.
As per the customer requirement, we select the suitable raw material first. Then quantify that material and send it to the sort-in section. We have pre-sort-in section. The main focus is avoiding some other spices and the plastic and other foreign materials we need to remove first before we charge the distillation. Then we clean material, we store there. We have facility to distill 3,000 kilos of flower buds and 2,000 kilos of cinnamon there per batch. 2,000 kilos of cinnamon, 3,000 kilos of flower buds. Then after charging material, we apply cooling and the steam both at the same time. The steam will go through the material get heat, then cell wall will rupture and volatile oil will come out. The volatile vapor and the steam will come to the condenser. In condenser, they are converted to the liquid form. The water and essential oil mixture will go to the oil separator. Then we are separate oil and collect into these buckets or basket or SS drums. We use aluminium or stainless steel drums for the oil collecting. After collecting oil, we send it to the oil store, and there is a quality control procedure. Then follow strongly quality control measures there. Then finally we pack for the export. This is the very briefly explained for the oil distillation. Today we do clove and the cinnamon as a demonstration for you. Cinnamon will take 5 hours for the complete the distillation, but the clove buds we need to 2 days continuous steam for the complete distillation.
2 days.
2 days, 48 hours.
48 hours.
Yeah.
Wow. For steaming
cinnamon.
Cinnamon only need for 5 hours.
5 hours.
5 hours.
Oh.
Clove buds we need 28
Clove
hours.
buds is
Clove bud is
48.
Yeah, 48 hours.
48 hours for clove buds.
Yes. Clove buds containing around 14% oil, volatile oil, but cinnamon containing only 1%.
1% oil?
It is the premium quality material. Bottom to top, they are not built pressure. They are continuous release into the condenser.
So how much pressure?
The pressure is not pressurized inside the cell.
Oh, very little.
Yeah, very little.
Okay, no pressure. Also the steam distillation.
So 100 Celsius.
Yes.
Everybody, and so this is our quality control and research and development division of the company, and so composed with the 4 dedicated laboratories: equipment laboratory 1, equipment laboratory 2, proximate analysis lab, and research and development lab. So this lab is specially designed to analyze quality of the essential oil. So essential oils like cinnamon bark oil, black pepper oil, and clove bud oil, and others. So the when it is concerning quality of the essential oil, it is very important the composition and their concentrations of the particular essential oil. So the composition and concentration can be measured using a GCMS machine. So gas liquid chromatograph machine coupled with the mass spectrometer. So once we introduce the sample to the machine of particular essential oil, so after the 40 minutes it will be generated the report, so sample report. So that sample report compared with the reference standard report. So if both sample report and reference standard report is identical, we approve the oil and release for the packing. And so if it is not identical, so we have the follow a reject good procedure. So GCMS analysis is a very advanced technology, and so accurate identification of chemical constituents and quantifications. So we have the next equipment laboratory 2. So shall we move? Okay. Cinnamon oil. Cinnamon bark. Bark. This is a part of the report, and this is identification work we have done using a database of the software. So this is the equipment laboratory 2. So this lab plays a critical role in analyzing various quality parameters of the essential oil, oleoresins, nutraceuticals, and raw materials. So the testing we are doing here. So this is the HPLC machine. So a high performance liquid chromatograph machine, ideal for non-volatile active ingredients quality, and so analyzing of the nutraceutical, oleoresins, and aflatoxin analysis also can be done using this one, high performance liquid chromatograph. So this is ideal for volatile oil analysis. It is volatile oil analysis for composition and their concentrations. So both are same. So both are same. This is different than the detector. That is mass spectrometry. This is flame ionization detector.
Without the mask of shock, the strong enough. This one with the mask.
This one is mass spectrometry. This is
Together
FID.
with GC.
FID. Yes. So So the other one, this is the spectrophotometer analyzing quality of the raw materials, active ingredient percentage of the raw material like clobut, curcumin, turmeric finger, and black pepper for the piperine, and other. So that equipment is another quality parameter for essential oil. This is polarimeter. We measure the optical rotation. Yeah, optical rotation and chirality of the essential, chirality and authenticity of the essential oil, which indicates. And quick test. This, polarimeter. Yeah, polarimeter. Yes, isomers. So when the monochromatic light is passed through the sample, so the optical active components rotate small bit. So that rotation angle is measured. This one, that is a quality parameter for the essential oil. So this is the refractometer, refractive index of the. We measure the refractive index of the essential oil. So it is also an important quality parameter for the essential oil. And quick check of quality of essential oil. So if there is a more deviation than the standard, it is some
Synthetic.
Yeah, synthetic.
You don't want that.
Yes, that's right. So this is a proximate analysis lab and focuses basic quality parameters of the raw materials such as cinnamon bark, clobut, and black pepper and other spices. And so major testing of in this lab is the determination of volatile oil content of the raw spices. So the quality depends on the how much oil is in the spices. That means the raw materials. So we measure if there's the volatile oil content is into the standard level. So then pass the material and for the processing.
Is that fractionating?
No, this is distillation. We call this one the
It's like a
Clevenger oil lamp distillation method. This is the standard method, and actually, so this is the material and water here, and sort of hydro distillation because water with the material. In commercial scale, not like that. So only the materials with the steam. Yeah, this is a small scale. Yeah, this is we test the extractability of the spices. So how much active ingredient, non-volatile active ingredient can be extracted from the raw spices. So that is important value for the oleoresin production. Actually, this is volatile. This is non-volatile ingredient extraction. So after the extraction to the low boiling solvent, so this solvent is evaporated off and product is remaining in the rotary evaporator. We have another side of the rotary evaporator. That is.
How do you get a higher temperature? Because steam is just 100 degrees, right?
Yes.
So how do you get a higher? How do you get up to 400? What?
No, 400 means that is non-volatile component.
Okay.
I
So
am
you don't
talking
want
about.
those?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only the 100 is enough for the essential oil distillation, but so other thing is only we don't want to actually distillate so that the nutraceuticals, those are non-volatile active chemical constituents. So it has a very high boiling point. We can't separate from in distillation method, but extraction method we have to go for a extraction method.